Hello, Japanese learners! 皆さん、こんにちは。日本語の勉強を頑張っていますか？ Are you looking for the best way to learn kanji to pass JLPT test? If you are studying Japanese by yourself, you shouldn't be. Together is better. I'm happy to help you. My name is Sayaka. I am Japanese. I teach Japanese as a professional. I upload kanji video every day, starting from N5, N4, eventually I will get to N2. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss any video. それでは始めましょう。This is today's kanji. At the end of this video, we are going to have JLPT style quiz. So stay focused. The meaning is rain. Onyomi is u. Kunyomi is ame, ama. These are the words with this kanji. We will go over later. Next is stroke orders. So you go across, go down, attached, go across, go down, hook, the center, go down, stop, and 4 dots. Vocabulary. Heavy rain is oame, oame. Ame is a noun. We want to say it's raining, so we need a verb, which is 降る。雨が降る。ing form 雨が降っている。This is the common expression 雨宿りする to shelter from the rain for a while so that you don't get soaked. 雨宿りする。The meaning is snow. Onyomi is setsu. Kunyomi is yuki. These are the words with this kanji. You notice the radical is ame. So you write ame, across, down, across, hook, center, stop, 4 dots, and katakana yo. Heavy snow is oyuki. Big snow, oyuki. If you want to say snowing heavily, same as ame, oyuki ga futteiru. The meaning is cloud. Onyomi is un. Kunyomi is kumo. The radical is ame. These are the words with the kanji. Go across, down, go across, hook, center, go down, stop, 4 dots. カタカナのに、カタカナのむ。Rain clouds or dark clouds is 雨雲。雨 and 雲 becomes 雨雲。雨雲。The meaning is cloudy. On is don. Kun is kumori, kumoru. Radical is nichi, and then you have that kumo underneath nichi. That makes sense. So you write the sun and kumo, which is ame, and katakana ni and katakana mu. Today's weather is cloudy. 今日の天気は曇りです。曇り is a noun, so 曇りです。The meaning is thunder. 音読み、雷。訓読み、雷。Radical is 雨。 These are the words with this kanji.
Across, diagonal, across, hook, center, stop, 4 dots, and rice field. Down, across, down, down, across, across.
Thunderstorm is 雷雨, 雷雨. When you have two kanjis together, most likely on reading, 雷雨. Lightning fall is 落雷, 落雷, 落雷. Lightning hit the tree. In English, it's hit, but a Japanese translation is dropped. 落ちた。木に雷が落ちた。木に雷が落ちた。If the kanji itself, most likely kun reading. The meaning is electricity. On is then. There's no kun for this kanji. Radical is ame. These are the kanji you must remember.
First you write ame, and then you write the sun, then you add the electricity code.
Electricity, 電気、電気。Train, 電車、電車。Telephone, 電話、電話。Battery, 電池、電池。Step 4, flashcards. Please repeat after me. 大雨、大雨。雨宿り、雨宿り。雨雲、雨雲。曇り、曇り。雪、雪。雷、雷。雷雨、雷雨。電気、電気。電話、電話。電車、電車。電池、電池。Step 5, JLPT quiz. You have 3 questions. For each question, you have 10 seconds to answer. Choose the right answer from the choices. The answer is 2番です。The answer is 4番です。The answer is 3番です。雨雲。I hope you did pretty good on the reading test. If you like it, let me know by clicking the like button below. I will see you tomorrow. また明日会いましょう。さようなら。